Humanoid robots are beginning to enter factories around the world, but not in the way many people imagine. Rather than replacing entire human workforces overnight, companies are deploying them gradually to perform specific, repetitive, physically demanding, or hazardous tasks alongside existing employees. Today's factories already use millions of industrial robots, but most are fixed in place and built for a single job, such as welding, painting, or assembling parts. Humanoid robots are different. Because they have 2 arms, 2 legs, and hands similar to humans, they can operate in workplaces that were originally designed for people without requiring factories to be completely redesigned. However, many robotics companies now believe the first large-scale commercial success may not come from walking humanoids at all. Instead, factories are increasingly adopting wheeled humanoid robots, machines with a humanoid upper body mounted on a mobile wheeled base. Wheels are faster, more energy efficient, more stable, and far easier to certify for industrial use than bipedal legs, making them a practical choice for many manufacturing environments. These robots can move materials between workstations, pick and place parts, load conveyor belts, inspect products, operate tools, and assist human workers throughout a facility. Since most factory floors are already smooth and predictable, wheels often provide all the mobility that's needed while avoiding the complexity of balancing and walking. Artificial intelligence is making these robots increasingly capable. Instead of being programmed for a single repetitive motion, modern humanoid systems can use cameras, sensors, and AI models to recognize objects, adapt to changing environments, understand spoken instructions, and learn new tasks much more quickly than traditional industrial robots. Even so, fully autonomous humanoid workers are still a work in progress. Companies continue to face challenges involving battery life, reliability, dexterity, safety, maintenance, and the ability to operate continuously in demanding industrial settings. Many robots are still limited to carefully selected tasks where the environment is highly controlled. Rather than replacing every factory worker, experts increasingly expect humanoid robots to fill labor shortages and handle jobs that are repetitive, dangerous, or difficult to staff. Human workers will continue overseeing production, solving unexpected problems, maintaining equipment, and performing tasks that require judgment, creativity, and adaptability. The transition is likely to happen gradually over many years. Companies will first deploy robots where they provide the clearest economic benefit, then expand their capabilities as AI, batteries, and hardware continue to improve. The future of manufacturing, therefore, may not be a factory filled entirely with walking robots. Instead, it is likely to be a highly automated workplace where humans, fixed industrial robots, wheeled humanoids, and eventually fully mobile humanoid robots all work together, each performing the tasks they do best. Each sentence can be long if the input requires it, but must not exceed 30 words. If a sentence is longer, split it into 2 or more natural sentences without altering the content.